Welcome to this architectural masterpiece on the Costa del Sol, featuring an infinity pool and striking modern facade that effortlessly commands attention. Step inside to a double-height glass atrium and luminous open-concept living area where natural light dances across bespoke finishes. The gourmet chef kitchen is fully equipped with sleek cabinetry and premium integrated appliances, perfect for both daily living and high-end entertaining. Opulent master bedroom suites offer ultra-private sanctuaries complete with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking pristine horizons. Indulge in your private wellness spa featuring a heated leisure pool, sauna, and dedicated gymnasium designed for ultimate rejuvenation. Entertain guests in style within your bespoke sommelier wine cellar and state-of-the-art private home cinema. Outside, sun-drenched wraparound terraces reveal sweeping panoramic Mediterranean views reaching all the way to Gibraltar and the African coast. Contact Gala Estates today to schedule your exclusive, private showing.